Peeko and the Bubbling Volcano Adventure. Hi there, friends. I am Peeko. Welcome Tummy Lab. It's a science-wise sparkly place where we explore, experiment, and sometimes make things go boom. And guess what? Today, we're building a bubbling, foaming volcano. Not a real one with lava, but a safe fizzy one you can make at home. You ready to flap into fun? Let's go! Let me flutter into a bright treehouse lab filled with floating flasks, glowing chalkboards, and giggling gadgets. Oh, what's that floating down from the ceiling? A scroll. It's a volcano map. Look, it says, Journey to Volcano Valley. That's where the bubbling volcano lives. We'd better grab our science gear, pack up some snacks, and fly. Feather glider activated. Off Ouija. Oh. Wow. We're here, Volcano Valley. Look at this place so lush and green. And oh, there it is. The giant volcano. Smoking, bubbling, and super tall. Is that a tiny dinosaur hiding in the bushes? Hee, don't worry, Dino Buddy. This volcano's just for science. Let's learn what a volcano actually is. Imagine a big mountain filled with melted rock. That melted rock is called magma. It lives deep under the earth, where it's super hot sometimes. Pressure builds up and the magma shoots out like lava soup. When that happens, boom, we call it an eruption. But don't worry, we're making our own version with no fire, just foam. Before we start, we need our volcano supplies. Ready? You'll need baking soda, vinegar, red food coloring, dish soap, a cup or bottle, clay or Play-Doh, a tray and glitter if you want sparkle. Got everything. Awesome. Let's build. Place your bottle in the center of the tray. Wrap clay around it to shape a volcano. Tall, short, twisty, your choice. Just don't block the opening. I'm calling mine Lava Larry. Say hi, Larry. Burp. Asterisk. Now decorate. Paint it. Add grass, sparkles, or tiny dinos. My volcano has a lava mohawk. What about yours? We make our lava potion. Pour vinegar into a cup. Add red food coloring. A squirt of dish soap. Stir it up. Looks gooey, right? That's science magic in a cup. Time for the eruption. Spoon baking soda into your volcano. Pour in the lava potion. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Kablooey, lava flows. Look at that foamy fizz dot. So what happened? Vinegar is an acid. Baking soda is a base. When they mix, they create a gas, carbon dioxide. That gas escapes as bubbles and pushes out the foam. Let's play true or flap. Volcanoes are made of ice. Flap, lava is orange juice. Flap, lava is melted rock. True. You're science champs. It's lava dance time. Bubble left, fizz right. Stump like a volcano. Slide like lava. Try cool variations. Use lemon juice instead of vinegar. Add glitter. Try blue coloring for icy lava. Science is for exploring. Look at these amazing volcanoes you made. Rainbow lava. Dino caves. Sparkle mountains. You're all real scientists. Today we built a volcano, made it erupt, and learned all about acids, bases, and gases. Next time, we'll mix colors in my rainbow in a jar. Until then, stay curious, stay creative, and flap back.